49 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's just probably either a gust or sustained wind.
That's sustained. I mean,
yeah, it's getting into those tires on top of that stuff. That silage.
Yeah.
That stuff's gonna burn for hours.
Yep, that's gonna burn a while.
Looks like they still got contained though.
Yeah, it doesn't look out of control. This wind is incredible. Yeah. I don't want to get
that's
choked
fire
up.
right there. Okay, we're good now.
Yeah, like I said, we're gonna be alright.
Yeah, sorry.
Abby's up here. Oh, dude, the smoke. We're really far left where the smoke, that smoke is. There's another house in there too. And then in between them, kind of closer to us, is another house. There's a lot of traffic trying to get out of Lake Tanglewood there.